Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care, and we're back where I did the new soil blend. I'll be perfectly honest, the first time it didn't actually work because the customer was away and the seeds completely burnt out. We had a heat wave. So I went again, just put some seed over the top, flicked it, the new soil blend over the top, and I put out the automatic irrigation. So then I was in control of the watering. If you can see across here, this conifer tree is dropping like mad still. I wish I could cut it back further, and that will change the pH of the soil. So every month this is going to have lime granules to raise the pH to stop this. We need to compete with this. So we'll be putting the granules out, lime granules, once a month to keep the balance of the pH down this end. Also, we did cut that back. I'd like to cut it back further. But anyway, let's keep the video short. I'm going to blow the canopy off, not the canopy, I'm going to blow the fleece off of all the debris because I don't want that in the grass canopy. So let's get it blown off, I'll remove the fleece and we'll see how the soil did. This is the Echo PB8010. It is an absolute beast. You don't even need to rev it to blow. Blows bricks, as I'm saying. Right, let's get these pegs out and then I shall blow the lawn again. Oh my God, at last, I'm so happy. Put my seed out again because when it failed the first time, literally in 8 days, you could see zero was coming through. The seeds have got so hot, they completely melted up, too hot, burnt away, and you'd either blame the soil, the new soil blend, or you'd blame the seed manufacturer. This is Boston Seeds Premier, which is this side of the lawn also. So I see it too many times, people blaming the seed. It's not, it's your watering or it's your prep. You put seeds down on a thatchy lawn, seed on thatch, not going to germinate. Get the thatch out, do the prep work. So yeah, I'll take you over this because we did another test area at Roy's. Somebody killed the 2 front little lawns, so we're going to be going there right after this. I'll take you across and then I'm just going to, well, I'll give it a blow first and I'll take you across it. Okay, so this is actually only about 8 days old, I think. You can see across the canopy it is way too long, obviously, but I'm not going to be mowing it. I've done too much here. It's taken too long because this come beautiful. So did this, then it died off because of that beast. Changed the pH of the soil. pH was far too low, so we raised it up with the lime granules. And moving forward, because this wants to kill this, we're going to keep putting the lime granules in there and maintain and monitor the pH soil level. So yeah, we have a full lawn now. Oh, thank God. Boston Seeds Premier, nothing to do with the seed, nothing to do with the soil. Soil is fantastic. Yeah, so at last we've got a full lawn. Let's get over to Roy's. Okay, so we're back at Roy's lawn. I'll show you the pictures. This was killed off by some tradesmen, I think. They were doing some weed treatment, or it may have been a window cleaner. Although they say they don't use chemicals, something happened. This lawn was dead, this one, and down the side. I'll take you down the side after. So we had to do a quick repair and we used the same new blend, the equivalent of field number 4, silica sand, 45-45, and vermiculite. So yeah, we're going to see if it's done any good. Put Boston Seeds hard wearing down, so I'll get the fleece off and all being well, because you know what Roy's like with his water, check that video out, I'll put it in the description. That was funny. So yeah, let's get the fleece off and hope we're lucky. Okay, the fleece is off, and I'll tell you what, it's fantastic. And I didn't really do anything fancy. I just pulled the scarifier back even after that's, if you remember the last video, I ruined the blade taking that high spots off, but I just dragged it back on this lawn because it was dead anyway. So somebody had killed it, so I just dragged it back, put my lines in, put the seed in, flicked the new soil blend from CDB. I'll put their website in the description. If you're local to Winchester area, get yourself a bag of that. It is incredible, but I will say you need to keep it wet. It will dry out quicker with the 45 Silica, the 45 Compost. So make sure that you keep it wet. Let's take you over the lawn. Okay, so we have got some weeds. It's only about 10 days old. Oh, we got some weeds, but look at it. That's Boston Seeds hardwaring. And look how thick and long. It was just a quick blowover. Absolutely incredible. So over this area here, this was all dead as well. Maybe from window cleaner, we just don't know. There's some weeds, but this is a quick fix. There's a weed there. But look at that, guys. Yeah, so that's hardwaring because it's a small, tiny patch of grass. It takes a lot of foot travel because when the gardeners are doing the flower beds and the window cleaner, it gets trodden on in the same place every time. And look across there. Look at that. I mean, not stressed about the weeds. I've got new grass, so I have to wait. But yeah, really, really happy. Because I put no effort into that. I didn't put a lot of effort into it. So, yeah. A good job. Okay, so my verdict is it's a 10 out of 10 for that new soil blend. We've been working a couple of months on that. You know, it's not my company, it's friends of mine, and I've always used their soil, so I'm really happy. So moving forward, that's going to be a quick fix solution because the nutrients are in the soil. Really fantastic. So yeah, soil's good. Must keep it moist though. It's a bit more, you'll have to work harder on that because that silica and that compost, because it's warm and the silica's very fine, it will dry out quick. So it's a great solution for autumn because it just, no one watered this, just did it yourself under the fleece. I gave it one water, that was it. Obviously we had some rain, but it was enough. It looked after itself because that rainfall, absolutely perfect. So yeah, I'll see you at the next one. I'm off to do another lawn. Might even film it. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. May the long gods be with you. Take care.
I've been walking around, waiting for you to shine. People passing me by. Does it feel like I belong?